So under the new NCAA rule change, college athletes can now get paid from their social media accounts, broker endorsement deals, autograph signings, as well as other financial opportunities, and can also use an agent or a representative to do so. So if you're currently a college athlete or plan to be one in the future, you may want to watch through this video because I will be discussing the many ways college athletes can make money as an influencer as well as an entrepreneur. What's going on, guys? Chris Robinson here to remind you guys to smash the like button, and while you're at it, you might as well subscribe so that you can stay in the loop of similar content like this. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, so in this video, I will be going over the 6 most common ways college athletes can get paid for their expertise as well as their influence. Alright, so the first thing we will talk about is endorsement deals. You may have heard of this term before, but if you're unsure what exactly is an endorsement deal, it is a contract between a brand and an influential individual in which the influencer can get paid to represent a brand in a positive way. In other words, the company or brand is endorsing an influencer, letting everyone know that, hey, even so-and-so, the famous celebrity, is using our product. But in most cases, it is the other way around, whereas the influencer is the one endorsing the brand. This is not to get confused with sponsorships, however, whereas a sponsorship is when a company agrees to pay for brand awareness during a particular event, whereas endorsement deals is dealt with on an individual level. So now that we have an idea of what an endorsement deal is, let's figure out exactly how you can score an endorsement deal and get paid. So keep in mind, endorsement deals isn't always easy to score because you have to have some type of influence or following in order to secure one. However, there are many cases where a company or brand see potential in a small athlete, and by giving them an endorsement deal, it generally gives the athlete or influencer more exposure, helping both of them in the end. And here are a few tips to make yourself a target for an endorsement deal. The first thing you want to do is keep a good moral attitude and appearance. Secondly, you want to market yourself as a brand. And lastly, you want to stay socially active. And next up on the list is sponsored posts. So from our first example, we briefly went over what a sponsorship is. So you may somewhat have an idea of what a sponsored post may be. And yes, you guessed it, a sponsored post is when a brand or company agrees to pay you for mentioning their brand on your social media. The price in which you can get paid vary based on many different circumstances like the size of your following, how many likes per post, interaction, as well as view count. Although there are many different social media platforms to choose from like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and etc., it just pretty much depends on what the company is demanding from you, and this can range anywhere from one post to a series of posts, and they may even want you to post it on all of your social media platforms. This is more commonly seen on many YouTube videos as well as Instagram posts, and even more seen on TikTok. Alright folks, coming up third on the list is merchandise. When it comes to merchandise, what is it being an influencer and not having merchandise to offer to your supporters? However, many influencers get by without offering merchandise, but on the other hand, the large majority of them tend to offer something with their name or logo on it, which I believe it doesn't hurt to try to see if your following is willing to purchase things with your trademark on it. Besides, you'll be surprised how much money you can make by selling things like shirts, hats, stickers, and anything you can think of with your name or logo on it. So number 4 is autographs. Being an upcoming athlete, there has been numerous stories of former college athletes getting paid to sign products for a profit under the radar. Well, since the rules have changed, you can make money for whatever your signature is worth. And you'll be surprised of what some people are willing to pay because of how much they believe in you. Number 5, training and coaching. As an athlete, this should be one of the most easiest ways to make money. There are many future and younger athletes out there who can use some of your skills and expertise to help them through the same sport that you perform in, and why not get paid doing so? You may also have individuals out there who want to get fit like an athlete, and you can make money by training individuals or coaching local sports teams. You can also offer one-on-one trainings to those who are local. You can also offer virtual trainings to a more broader audience. And number 6, monetized videos. Wait, what? Monetized videos? Yes, monetized videos. This last example on how you can get paid based on the difference on why you would prefer to watch someone like myself talk about how you can get paid as a college athlete versus just reading an article about the same topic, and that is videos. If you like being behind the camera, there is no secret on how you can get paid just by posting videos. And that can be anything from sports related videos, fitness videos, or even if you just like blogging about your life or your lifestyle. And you'll be surprised how many people want to see you behind the camera, so it won't hurt to try. The most common platforms to get monetized for your videos is Facebook and YouTube, and we all know numerous examples on how far that can take you and how much money you can possibly make. Alright guys, so that is 6 ways you can make money as a college athlete. And I'm sure there are many other ways that you can make money as a college athlete. However, in this video, I just wanted to focus on the most common ways you can make money as a college athlete. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a simple thank you comment in the comment box below. I can already see that you liked the video, so I want to thank you there. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.